The carrier USS Ronald Reagan is assisting in a search and rescue effort in the Pacific Ocean after an aircraft with 11 on board crashed en route to the ship. Japan is assisting in the rescue on Wednesday and said it recovered 8 from the wreckage, but did not specify their conditions. Personnel recovery is underway and their condition will be evaluated by USS Ronald Reagan medical staff, U.S. Navy 7th Fleet said in a statement. It said the ship was operating in the Philippine Sea when the crash occurred at 2:45 p.m. Japan time. The names of the crew and passengers are being withheld pending next of kin notification. The cause of the crash was not immediately clear. However, Japanese Minister of Defense Itsunori Onodera told reporters that the U.S. Navy informed him that engine trouble might have caused the crash, reported Reuters. The C-2 Greyhound is a propeller plane designed to carry personnel and cargo from the mainland to carriers operating at sea, reported Reuters. It has been in operation for more than 50 years and is scheduled to be replaced by the Osprey aircraft. The 7th Fleet was involved in 2 fatal accidents earlier this year in Asian waters that killed 17 sailors and led to the removal of 8 top Navy officers from their posts, including the 7th Fleet commander.